So, hello everybody, welcome to a new video, and today I have just finished my science project, so this is how it's going to get graded. See, I'm basically just showing off my science project for science class in school, so yeah, very fun science project since I was allowed to build it in Minecraft, which uh, I've never heard of doing a science project in Minecraft. But I guess if it works, it works. So right here, with our cell model, now this is where you enter the cell model. So yeah, just want to put this little switchy switch, and it opens up that automatic door that I built. Then yeah, you just walk in here, and you get teleported to the plant cell. That is the cell model right there. Very giant, but that's okay. So yeah, we got the plant cell right there telling you what model it's supposed to be after. And this sticky stuff, it's cytoplasm, that stuff right there. Everything's labeled, so I know what each one is. Pretty awesome. So yeah, like this thingy, this one is I have no idea how to pronounce that, but it's that whatever that one's called. I don't know how to pronounce it. Every one of these are labeled. Also don't know how to pronounce that. This is the cell membrane right here. It's yellow stuff. Whee! Right over here is the cell wall, this green stuff right here. And then this is Valcos. Val 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 I have no idea how to pronounce that. But yeah, it's that one of the thingies. If only I knew how to pronounce it. But yeah. We got the nucleus over here. Pretty accurate. Has these little gray spots. Then we have these fun little squiggly white orange lines, which is the endoplasmic reticulum. However, I don't know. Okay, then these little fun dots are the ribosomes. I probably pronounced that wrong, but whatever. Going about whatever this thing's called, because I don't know how to pronounce that either. Lots of very confusing words, but whatever. We got this one, number 11, right there. So that's the cell model. Pretty cool, you know? But if you don't know what each one means, that's why I built the key, which is right behind here. It says key right here. You just have to put this automatic door, just like so. The automatic door opens and you can walk in. And then that's the return button over there. I've put a description for each one in here. So let's just go to the first one, and yeah, I'll start reading these. So cell membrane. The cell membrane is a protective layer that encloses all cells. This separates the inside from the outside environment. Then we got cytoplasm. Cytoplasm maintains the cell's shape and keeps organs in place. We got the nucleus, which is number 3. The nucleus protects the cell's DNA and it regulates all the cell's activities. Then we got number 4. ribosome or something like that. Ribosomes are cellular machines that produce proteins from amino acids through the process called protein synthesis. I know I said that wrong, but whatever. Then we have endoplasmic reticulum, also known as ER, parentheses. The ER is a network of membranes and urothelial cells that is involved in protein and lipid synthesis, folding, and transport. Yeah. Then, yeah, very hard words to say. But I'm not even gonna attempt that one because I have no idea. The I have no idea science word modifies sorts and pathogens proteins. The lipid lips for stationary or delivery to another or rallies. Something like that. I don't know. You can also just read these. Yeah. It's, you probably know how to actually spell these, but I mean, Sam, I do not. Next, we have this science word. So this science word generates most of the cell's energy through a process called cellular respiration. Moving on to Valcoles, something like that. Valcoles store water, nutrients, and waste. This helps maintain pluvial pressure for the plant structural support. Then we got lysosomes. Lysosomes break down excess or worn out parts and material taken up from the outside of the cell. We got the cell wall. The cell wall is the outer layer. This protects the cell from mechanical stress and osmotic yeah, okay, and helps maintain shape. Chloroplast performs photosynthesis. Oh my, I can't say that word. Photosynthesis, you know what I mean, which is into converting light energy into chemical energy, parentheses, sugar. So yeah, that's the whole tree, or whatever. It tells you all the descriptions. Pretty nifty. That's what took me the longest time, typing all those in. Then we got the return button, which just returns you back here. Then yeah, it went pretty fast, but so I wanted to keep it sweet and short. So yeah, I showed you all this. This is what it looks like from afar. Oh no, guys, a virus attack is happening. Oh no, there's a virus attack. Take cover! Take cover! Well, that ended great. Be careful about viruses. They're very deadly, as we could see here to what they did to that cell. Very deadly. So wash your hands, because what just happened to that cell was terrible. Really terrible, like really, really terrible. Sorry guys, it's just really fun to blow stuff up, you know? Like really fun. But this thingy, yeah. It makes it so fun to blow stuff up. Yeah, that's all I can say. See you next time. Bye bye.